It's crazy how fast buyers start questioning an entire house over really small repairs. Like one loose doorknob turns into, what else hasn't been maintained here? A dripping faucet becomes, are we walking into a money pit? And the funny part is, most buyers aren't even consciously doing this. It's psychological. Small, unfinished details create doubt, and doubt spreads fast during showings. Because once buyers start noticing little problems, they stop focusing on the things that actually make the home special. That's why before listing a property, I always tell sellers the goal isn't perfection. It's removing distractions that create hesitation, because hesitation is what kills emotional connection during a showing. If you're thinking about selling and want a strategy that actually helps buyers feel confident walking through your home, send me a message and I'll walk you through it.